Racing as they battle for the PCSO Special Maiden Race. We have Marquis World break quickly at the start. And on the outside now is Pinay Beauty. Classic Kit Kat is down on the inside. Is Stolen Time. Fairwind. Then next online is Conqueror's Magic. While Watulco is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Marquis World high balling in front. Maintaining a 7 lengths lead. Pinay Beauty in second. Moving up now on the outside is Stolen Time. Then next online is Classic Kit Kat. Fairwind is down on the inside. Conqueror's Magic comes next while Watulco is now running at the tail of the field. Race now getting more exciting as the rider now starting to make their moves. Inside the last 400 we have Marquis World maintaining a 8 lengths lead, trying to get closer in second. Now is Stolen Time. Pinay Beauty is down in third. Fairwind is racing in fourth. And as they swing for home, we have Marquis World by about 6 lengths. And in second is Stolen Time. Last 100 meters, we have Marquis World followed by is Stolen Time. And finally, the PCSO Special Maiden Race belongs to Marquis World. The second is Stolen Time. Fairwind, Pinay Beauty, Conqueror's Magic, Classic Kit Kat, and Watulco.